morning, everybody. Today is September 20th, 2022, Tuesday. Dow Jones is down 300 points, and currently the Federal Reserve is holding their meeting, and on this meeting they're trying to raise the interest rate to make sure that if you buy a house, you will pay astronomical interest rate for your mortgage, such as maybe 7%. If you want to buy a car, a new car or a used car, your auto loan is going to be also 7-8%. If you want to refinance some of your debt, maybe your credit card debt, and take home equity loan, it's also going to be at astronomical rate, around, again, 6-7%. So who benefits from this huge interest rate? Actually, foreign investors and foreign buyers. For example, we have a huge buying surge of American properties such as houses and businesses and land in general from China. China has quite a bit of rich people. In fact, they're the second country by a number of billionaires now in the world, right after United States. So these people and Chinese businesses also have a lot of, they have a lot of money that they're pretty much using to acquire properties and assets in the United States. So for them, this is very beneficial, because what happens is that the prices for U.S. assets are dropping, since we have less buyers who can afford to actually buy this thing. So, obviously, when the situation is like this, when the inflation is, is high, and interest rates are high, the companies, especially publicly traded companies, now if they borrow money or if they issue bonds, corporate bonds, they have to issue them at high interest rates. So basically it's harder for them to borrow money to expand their business, and this reflects in the prices of most US companies trade on the stock market. So hopefully after today's meeting, these idiots will stop raising the rates for at least a couple of weeks, because they've been doing it like every single month, almost like, twice a month, it seems like. So the market will swallow and digest the bad news, and right now we have a sell-off going on in the stock market when a lot of blue chip companies are being dumped by investors and the prices are declining. So at the same time, if you could tolerate this type of risk, and especially if you're sitting on some cash, it's a good time to buy those stocks. And right now, as I could see here, we have among the companies that trade on that are part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, I could tell you that the biggest decliners are Nike, Dow, Travelers Group, Caterpillar, Cisco, Verizon, Intel, Goldman Sachs, Home Depot, IBM, Amgen, and Disney. So if this is, by the way, the list that you could see right inside of the app. The app is called StockRank, and you could download for iPhone, Android, and Amazon tablets. So, but these stocks, right? They're blue chip stocks. They're great businesses with lots of customers, sales, profits, and so on and so forth. But because of the stupid action by Federal Reserve, obviously they're declining, and the 401ks and portfolios of American investors are suffering. But if you're sitting in cash, it's a good time to actually buy them. If you want to find out what other stocks to buy, you could actually download my app by going to 2stx.com, and it will take you directly to the App Store where you could get those apps. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.